Good morning, everyone. Long time no video from the B&B Homestead. This is Beth, and we have a very, very special project going on today. You see this? We had talked about that right there is my Rosa Sharon. This big old pile of blackberries and grapes and poison ivy and stuff that we have been fighting with for years, that goes along our fence like forever, crawls through our fence. Then we're gonna step over here. Right here is our property line marker, and this is the big old huge, I guess you could call it the big elephant of the yard. I don't know, the biggest mess that we have had to deal with. Well, as you see, right back there is our property marker over there. This is the neighbor's property, and you see how much of this brush, vines, like I said, poison ivy, grape, wisteria, blackberries, that big old huge pile there goes clear back over to there. It's humongous. Hopefully you can see it okay since I'm in the shade here a little bit. Let's walk over here a little bit. And I wish I could give you a scale of how huge it is, but guess what? Today it's going to be all gone. We have somebody coming in to remove it for us and take it all away. Then once it's all gone, I'm gonna come in here with some brush spray and spray it and hopefully kill what is, you know, what is left, like little in the stumps and stuff, so this does not come back. That is my goal. So the gentleman, his name is Josh, and his one of his friends is coming to help take this all out, and when he gets here we will video some of him doing the work. I am so super excited to get this removed and get this all taken care of finally.
And the clearing of the brush has begun. Yes, look at it, tearing it down. Look at that. Well, that all used to be brush right there, but now it's all gone. That thing is just coming in like a beast. You see, mowing through that stuff like it's nothing.
and say goodbye to the brush. There's a little bunny over there. So let's go for a walk. Lots of birds today. We had 2 blue jays, and then they decided to take a bath in Ben's fountain. It was cute. Well, guess what? Ooh, it's awful bright. Sorry. It's all gone. Look at that. It was a lot more than what Josh thought. And with it being so many vines that it tied around one of his blades and he can't get it off of there. So that's a rotten willow stump down there. That's ours. But we're gonna go along the fence, really close to the fence here, and trim off everything, and then we're gonna come through here and cut off all these roots as best as we can and get it all sprayed and keep this from coming back. We're only going to do our part of the property, obviously. I'm not going to maintain the neighbor's part of it. But yeah, look at that. It's all done. And we are going to keep it this way. Thanks for watching, guys.